Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to prepare the red amaranth stems sabji dal. For that I cleaned the red amaranth stems and chopped it finely and cooked it now. Here I have cooked dal. In this I have added Sambhar powder. In this, if you want, you can add tamarind pulp or Kokum or amchur powder. Now the season is of mangoes, so you can put raw mango also. Cook it, then add the dal and sambar powder mix in this. Bring to a boil, or finally you can add some lime juice for the sour taste. I am adding few petals of kokum in this. I have added 1 teaspoon of jaggery also. This has come to a boil. One more minute I will boil this because we have added kokum now only. Then we can temper with mustard seeds and curry leaves. Spice according to your requirement you can add. You can make the dal with tomato, onion also. Mustard seeds, few curry leaves. Put the temper in the dal. Garnish with coriander leaves. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.